Good afternoon. This is a tutorial for a tuck-in space that you can use in a junk journal. I have a series of tutorials on various junk journaling ideas, mostly around using up the scrap that we all generate when we're in junk journals. The tutorials are around the 5 to 10 minute mark. They're easy to do, so they're ideal for beginners and also for those who find they don't have as much time for crafting as they would like to, but still want the pleasure of getting creative and making things. So like I say, this is for a tuck spot, so I've got two examples here. So there's one, and as you can see, it opens one side and you can tuck a variety of items in. Now you can stick this in a journal so you can properly stick all down the back there, or you can just stick there. So you've got a tuck spot there, just stick there, so a tuck spot there. You get the idea. This one is slightly different in that it is joined both sides, so that it's then just a simple tuck-in spot. And you could also have this as something that tucks in the side. And if you have writing on the back of whatever you're using, you can add a piece of writing paper, so you've got extra journaling space there too. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this one. So you need an image that you want to use, and you need another piece of paper to act as the actual tuck flap there. Now I'd recommend you use a piece of paper that the colours coordinate or complement somehow, and this pattern is simple, just because that will be less jarring, unless you love it when you've got lots of colours and stuff clashing, in which case put together whatever you think you need. So I'm going to do the flap on the longest side first. So I literally just hold it there a little way down so I can see where I need to fold. Just made a little mark there with my fingernails, and then I've just folded that. So that is the first fold there. The next one to do is the whichever, if I wanted it to tuck in from there, I'd fold that piece down now, but I want to tuck in from here with that bit open, so I'm going to fold up there. If you wanted to do this one where it's secured both sides, you would just make this longer so that you'd have plenty to fold over. So the next step is, get rid of the cat hair, is to fold this bit up, and again I'm just going to mark it with a fingernail, then fold it up. So what you've got is this. Now you've got a little bit of bulk here because you've got folding over, so what I then do then is open this out, cut there, cut there. There you have that. Okay. So the next step is just to glue this, and I would recommend you get whatever you use as a glue paper or a glue pad, and I would actually stick this on the corner so that when you are gluing, you're not going to get it anywhere else, and you're definitely gluing on the bit that you want to do. It can just be nice and easy. So I've just stuck that down there. I'm now gluing there. Make sure you don't glue it to it, which seems to be what I've done. So well done me. What a genius thing to show everyone. And then just stick that down. So there you go. That's all done. I can tuck things in there. And like I say, I can stick this in as it is, or if I decided I wanted to turn it into a writing space, I would just stick some writing paper there. If not, I would just glue it down like that in a book. Obviously you can use things like distress inks, you can do collage here, you can clip the corners, you can do all sorts of stuff, but this is just a really basic tutorial just to show you how to do something really simple to use up some of your scraps and make a fun little tuck spot. I love this little cat. I've been wanting to do something with this piece of paper for a while, so I'm really pleased I've done this. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and that it inspires you to indulge in some creativity and use up some of the images in your scraps which you've been wanting to do something with for a while. I'm on Instagram, details below, so do tag me if you have a go at one of my tutorials. It would be lovely to see what materials you have, because we've all got such individual materials at our disposal. I'd be really curious to see what you do. Okay, well, thank you for listening. Bye.